To deposit money at a Barclays ATM. Start by locating a Barclays ATM machine near you. You can do this by visiting the Barclays website or using their mobile banking app to find your nearest ATM. Once you have found an ATM, ensure you have your Barclays debit card or account details ready. Insert your card into the ATM and enter your PIN to begin the transaction. Select the deposit option from the menu. This may be listed under cash deposit or make a deposit. Choose the account you want to deposit the cash into. This could be your current account, savings account, or another type of account. Next, insert the cash into the ATM. Make sure to use the cash deposit slot and not the card slot. The ATM will guide you through the process and prompt you to insert the cash. You can deposit both notes and coins, but be aware that some ATMs may have limits on the amount of cash you can deposit. Once you have inserted the cash, the ATM will count the money and display the amount on the screen. Verify that the amount is correct and select Confirm to complete the transaction. The ATM will then print a receipt. Take this as proof of your deposit. It is a good idea to check your account shortly after making the deposit to ensure the funds have been credited. You can do this by using the ATM, logging into your online banking, or using the mobile banking app. When depositing cash at a Barclays ATM, be aware of the daily deposit limits and any fees that may apply. It is also a good idea to keep your receipt safe, as you may need it for future reference. By following these steps, you can easily deposit money at a Barclays ATM and have access to your funds as soon as the transaction is complete. Remember to always keep your account details and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account.